Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Tiny Tina's Wonderlands game crashing or not launching, not loading, black screen, lagging, low FPS, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements. So for that, first launch Steam. Now search for the game. After that, go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to play the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. Now after your PC restarts, check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, then in the launch option you have to type -tx11 and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, type -tx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next solution. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Now once the game files are verified, launch the game and check. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for Windows security. Click on allow firewall and network protection. Now click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If not, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after that, you have to search for the game, select it. Now make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. After that, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once it's done, launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link that I have already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to disable peripherals. So you are suggested to remove devices like wireless keyboards or special gaming mice that can send interfering signals to the game's input system. Now these signals could confuse the game or overload certain system functions. So if you are using any peripherals like a wheel, controller or other USB devices or even a second monitor, simply unplug them and after that try to play the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, move to the next solution. Next is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. Now here you have to select your game, go to the game application. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK and then launch the game. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to check graphic settings. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next method is to stop overclock CPU and GPU. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam. Now click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game. Here you have to check enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Now after it is disabled, now launch the game and check whether it's working or not. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and then switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, open it, and here you will get repair or install option. Click on repair option and wait for some time. Now you will get setup successful message. Close this, and after that restart your PC. After your PC restart, now launch the game and then check if you can play it without any problem. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and this will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So for that you have to go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. Go below, click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. If it is turned on, then you have to turn it off. Now once done, again go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now after opening it, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings. After that, click on OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not, but you are suggested to enable the protection later on. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, search for the game, and after that click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After that, launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Tiny Tina's Wonderlands game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So once done, you restart your PC. After your PC restarts, again launch Steam, again reinstall Tiny Tina's Wonderlands game, and then check if you can play it without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.